Guys, this is the TV that we have and we want to remove it. How are we going to remove that is what we're going to show you today. So what we want to see is, look at the back of the TV, right? So if you see at the back of the TV, this is how the mount is. And the important thing here is we want to look at the bottom of the mount. What is holding it back? We want to go to the bottom of the TV and see what's underneath, right? And you can see that there is a screw which could be holding the TV back in its place. Okay, see underneath, and that screw might be the one holding the TV from coming out. So turn it to me. Okay, so what we want to remove, this is this screw here which is holding it back. So we want to unscrew this screw here so it comes down.
Please comment below, ask questions and subscribe to our channel.
This screw we want to this is probably holding the TV back. We want to screw it down all the way, okay, so that we can pull the TV away from the wall. So in order to unmount the TV, you got to pull the TV away from the wall. Matthew, pull the bottom of the TV away from the wall. Pull the bottom of the TV away from the wall, and then as soon as you do that, you want to lift it up. Okay, put that back, Matthew. Okay, lift out the bottom. If you can't lift out the bottom, then what you got to do is you got to check what is holding the TV back from. In this case, it is this screw that we want to bring it down. Okay, you see the two screws, left and right. Okay, so you want to hold it like that, Matthew. You want to remove the bottom of the TV and then lift it out of its position like a hook. Lift it out, Matthew. Okay, good. And look at the bottom. These two screws were holding it, so we had to unscrew that, and then that was fine.